Hi, in front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can add a video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Now you need to tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and then click on your video right away over here or select this photo icon on the left. Now you can tap on your video here and click on Add at the top right corner to attach it. You can do exactly the same by clicking on Folders and looking for your video here. You can select one of those apps, click on Videos filter at the top to make it easier, and even select those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Either way, when you're done, hold your video and tap on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!